Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung keyboard not working. The first and the quickest fix that you can try is head over to your quick settings, tap on the power icon and restart your device. If that does not fix your problem, what you can do is simply head over to the quick settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you'll have to scroll down and then you'll have to search for keyboard. Tap on Samsung keyboard. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is scroll all the way down and then hit reset to default settings. One more thing that you can do is simply head over to settings, tap on apps. Once you're here, tap on Samsung app settings, head over to search and then search for your Samsung keyboard. Once you've searched for your Samsung keyboard, you can clear the cache off your Samsung keyboard from there. One more thing that you can try and do is simply head back over to settings again. Once you're here, tap on software update and update your device to the latest version, which should solve any temporary glitches. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.